Today, we're going to talk about something that happens every day, but might not be obvious: confirmation bias in everyday decision making. You know how you sometimes only see information that supports your existing beliefs? That's confirmation bias at work. Let's take an example. Imagine you believe coffee is bad for you, so when you read news articles or studies on caffeine, you're more likely to notice the ones saying it has negative effects. It's like looking through a tinted lens where everything looks a certain way because of your pre-existing belief. This can happen in all sorts of situations. Maybe you're shopping for a car and already have an idea about what type or brand you want. You'll tend to seek out information that backs up your preference while ignoring evidence against it. The key is becoming aware of this bias in yourself and others. Try asking questions like, "Am I only looking at evidence that supports my viewpoint?" Or challenge yourself by seeking out opposing viewpoints. For instance, if you're making a big decision about where to live or which candidate to vote for, look for diverse sources of information and see what they say. Don't just stick with the news channels or websites you already agree with. Remember, being open-minded doesn't mean changing your beliefs, but rather considering different perspectives before coming to a conclusion. This approach helps in making more balanced decisions. So next time you're faced with an important decision, take a step back and see if you're falling into confirmation bias. Think about how it might be shaping your choices and try broadening your search for information. That's all for today's lesson on identifying confirmation bias in everyday decision making. Thanks for joining me.